say these folks aren't refined.
How did it go, Big Zhao?
Ready to be the honored guest of the hero?
You found a way in? Wow,
Shh. Keep it down. Wait.
What is...
Let the others...
All right.
Once they're on, we'll...
Huh? Big Zhao, so you didn't get in a...
If it were so easy, the heroic assembly would be just... We'd always sneak aboard, no?
Sneaking on like that? Won't the boatman catch us? This boatman...
He's my friend, too. Don't worry.
Didn't he say he hates work? Yet he's working everywhere I look.
Are you sure you can't tell fortunes?
Last time you scammed one of ours. We're going to...
Come on, it's Revelry Hall red. One sip won't knock you down.
Senior sister, I best not. I've still got patients to tend to.
What a turnout. That one's just odd. Who is that?
Zhang Shuo of the Revelry Hall. He used to be a fierce warrior, but I don't get it. Maybe the court...
And that one over there.
Han Xingsun from the Inkbound Order. She might seem quiet.
You sure know your way around, little miss.
If we count the time roaming the Jianghu, you'd have to call me your senior sister. That one, who looks down on everyone, that's Fanshu from Well of Heaven.
Oh, Divine Might Fanshu is here too.
You know him? Maybe you should go say hi.
Better not. He's too intimidating for ordinary folks.
Ah, it's you!
I'll pass, brother.
Another day, then.
I'll be waiting.
Got a death wish, Brett? What nerve you've got, standing in our way.
It's the joyous couple.
We're here by invitation. Did you check with your masters for trying to stop us?
Both of them were men, but they trained together as a couple. One ended up, castrated.
Castrated?
Wild, right? Word is their training's ruthless and drains the body. To ease the pain, they capture children and refine them. Everyone hates them, but most swordsmen don't dare.
Didn't they check outside already? We established a second checkpoint.
Second checkpoint? Fine, I'll show you.
We need to check the assembly ticket now, Big Zhao. What do you do?
How about we break in together? I take the blows. You make
The Velvet Shade disciples are quite strong. Are you serious?
Then you take the blows?
Maybe it's best to call it quits. Neither of us can take that kind of beating.
Got another idea. Quick.
Leave me. Oh dear. Dear, let's go. Such fools. Shameless. Quite a feisty one you are. It seems a waste for such a pretty face. Might as well give it to me.
Life coin.
A coin for a life. Is that right?
Our lives won't be so easy to buy!
Oh, I almost forgot. You're a pair. Not sold separately.
My dear.
Light is heavy. Heavy as light. Shift the weight. Turn the world. I heard the Ember of East is famed for the art of weight. If I hadn't seen it today, I wouldn't have believed such an elegant art could exist in this world.
Master.
Deepest apologies. Make yourselves at home. The feast will start. The Ember of East, let the dining commence.
I've got a way in. Come with me.
Are you sure you can't tell fortunes?
Could it be...
You guessed it.
You actually got the assembly? What's this? Big Zhao, the Ember of East is no joke. You don't plan on slipping in right under his nose, do you?
Why not? You think this outfit was easy to get? I called in a huge favor for it. Go change into it if you like. If not, no trouble. I won't mind.
Fine, I'll change. That'll turn some heads.
I'd say it's a good fit.
A good fit for me?
Not you. I'm talking about myself.
You're changing too?
Then how else am I supposed to...
Wearing that?
Come on, young one. Get changed. I can't wait to try it on. Honored guests, are you ready to behold my celestial beauty?
I'm ready. Step forth, oh gallant Big Zhao.
Honored guests, has my beauty stolen your breath?
Honored guests, could it be your shy?
You can put it that way.
Then, shall I expect a handsome tip from you?
About that.
I know my figure's not what it used to be. Back in the day, I was a strapping young man with countless ladies swarming over me. Don't think I'm lying. I got a brother who's the spitting image of me when I was young. When you see him, you'll see what a handsome fellow I once was. Let's get moving. These clothes don't leave much room to breathe.
Huh? Where's that girl?
Must have slipped off while we were changing. No surprise there. Never mind. Let's go.
Is the gold-making vessel real? Wait a minute.
What is it, senior sister?
Why is his face covered?
He broke out in a rash. He ate some of the fish. His face swelled up.
Keep him out of touch. Let me cancel the gas.
Yes, will do.
Your time is near. The Ember of East and the honored guests should be on the 3rd floor, right?
Right. We're all gathered up there.
The Ember of East is on the 3rd floor.
Let's go. The atmosphere here is strange.
A bunch of folks must have come prepared for the gold-making vessel.
You truly intend to use the gold-making vessel to raise funds for our southern expedition?
Since it's a serious invitation from Wei Yang, why wouldn't I come?
Dao Lord? The Ghost Market. Dao Lord, what of today's earnings? Are they all to be sent, or may we keep some? Aye. Understood.
Lord, sure. Will we truly...
Big Zhao sent us, just a pair of us. Come on, let's step in for them.
With the Lord of Jiangnan's approval, I propose to offer Wei Yang's treasured gold-making vessel to the Great Song to relieve the shortage of coins. Except, I'm sure the rumors have reached many ears here. A basin that produces coins? Nonsense. Just a tale invented by the winds of Wei Yang. But how can a frog in a well claim to know the full expanse of the sky? What the world finds impossible, Wei Yang may not necessarily. You are all esteemed figures in the Jianghu. Surely, you are not so narrow-minded, are you? However, we merchants know well that fortune comes with peace. Rather than let rumors tarnish Wei Yang's name, I decide to use today's heroic assembly to scatter coins for one day, with the aid of the gold-making vessel. I hope all heroes here will bear witness. As its name indicates, the gold-making vessel. Now, I invite a hero to test the truth of...
Who wants to try? I wonder if it's real or not. All of Kaifeng's underground trades under my command. If I can draw gold from the gold-making vessel, half of Kaifeng will no longer know hunger. Let me try first. To shield Kaifeng from hunger, the ever-normal granary must be filled. I, as the master of grain, shall take the lead.
Now that the forces of the world have been stirred, whether the people of Kaifeng go hungry, rests upon the peace of the Great Song. I am tasked with building the Quintet worship. If I succeed, I can ensure lasting peace for the Great Song. Let me be the first.
You all have your cases to plead, which the court well understands. But since the gold-making vessel is offered to the Great Song Court, it is fitting that the court verify its true nature. If it proves true, then each of you shall have your chance.
My lord, the greater the desire, the more the coins. Best tread carefully.
I shall judge that for myself.
Wonderful! Such a marvelous treasure truly exists in this world!
Gold-making vessel!
Curses.
The fool? Gold-making vessel?
The gold-making vessel is here!
Flowers never fail. Spring never ends. Joy never dies. You all on.
Stay where you are. I have alerted the authorities.
Big Zhao, when did you make the report?
What authorities? I am the authorities. My lord.
Who made the report? Me.
My lord, earlier. I'm hurt. I appreciate the concern, my lord, but naively, only as long as two other will scramble for this young one. Up in the back. Oh, it's chamber pot. Search the place. Who are you? I'm from Zhao. What brings you here? I came here to make a deal with someone. A deal? What sort of deal requires you to steal the door? I did not steal it. I was protecting it.
You have such a formidable figure conducting this inquiry.
With everything happening, the Ember of East still manages to admire others.
Haven't you always said that we swordsmen are simply humble servants? What could a servant like me know about investigations?
Check the identity of all present. Your sandwich, please. My lord, this one's your ticket. Oh. With whom are you working? Huh? You pretended to snatch the chamber pot to distract from your accomplice. Isn't that right? I'm innocent. You're innocent. Then why does everyone else have a ticket, but not you? I'm the only one with a ticket. I am asking you. But take him to prison. I'll handle the interrogation myself.
Parting without partaking of the cup. A pity. Such a pity.
Rangers, Ember of East knows who I am. What did you use, Help me. Does that mean yes or no? No, I can't just be a sitting duck. If I end up getting from prison, who'll see behind? Does that mean yes or no?
No, I can't just be a sitting duck.
My lord! My lord! Scared now? Ready to confess?
My lord, there's lots of eyes around. If the young wanderer confesses in front of so many, things could get messy.
Leave us.
My lord, please do not fall for their tricks. I saw it with my own eyes.
You leave too. Now, tell me.
I did slip into Revelry Hall, but I came to meet someone. Please grant me a chance to find the real thief and prove my...
I've been with him the whole day.
You trust him?
We haven't known each other for long, but I don't believe he's a thief.
Big Zhao.
Very well, but on one condition. Take this, and I'll let you go.
Is this...
A 7-day soulbreaker pill. Whether you find the thief or not, within 7 days you must be...
I die of poison? If I report back in time, whatever the outcome, you'll give me the antidote?
Rest easy. I only want the truth.
Fine, I'll take it.
A clever one. For the next 7 days, I'll make it known the case is under investigation. You may leave. You, come with me. I'll question
Me? Yeah, sure.
Big Zhao. Oh no, is he going to go after Big Zhao for not having an assembly ticket?
Brother, I don't... What? Don't I look good? No. Yeah, go change and be...
Wow, Big Zhao, you've got some serious connect.
What are you implying? I don't...
Ah, I see.
Let's go. I'll search downstairs. You go.
Senior sister. Guess who it is? And a bottle of wine.
It must be wrong you went.
So, find anything?
I found this. It's badly damaged. Must have been right near the blast. Do you recognize it, Big Zhao?
I'm afraid I don't.
Really? Who is it?
Ever heard of Know-It-All?
Know-It-All? Of course.
Great. My friend knows. He said to be as clever as Zhuge Liang.
Some nickname's Know-It-All? Where is he?
I remember he said he'd be at the thing.
Wait, Big Zhao. Before we leave, I'd still like to talk to the Ember of East.
The Ember of East? Come, I'll take you to where he's being held.
The court has chosen to stay out of Jianghu affairs merely as a courtesy. You don't actually consider yourself a guest of honor.
By the governor's order, nobody is allowed to visit the Emperor of East.
What do we do now, Big Zhao?
Let me do the talking. Well, I ain't exactly nobody.
Big Zhao, the trick of the Emperor of East escaped on my watch.
My friend has urgent matters to do.
Your friend here is the prime suspect. Zhao, please leave. Our hands are...
All right, fine. What now, young wanderer?
Let's investigate the case first.